Almost got hit by a fish.
Well, first fish of the day, and he pooped all over me. Look at my shirt.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah, he pooped all over me. First fish of the day, boys. First fish of the year. No, second fish of the year. And he pooped all over me. Ugh. Guys, this is Chris Powell Fishing TV. This is my wife, Steffi. She don't need no introduction. We're out here.
Woo, good intro.
Great intro. We're back, guys. It's been a crazy year. I'll fill y'all in later. Just caught a little guy. We're gonna go have some fun. Catch you later, bud. Okay, guys, here's a little update. So we cranked up the big motor to move to the next spot, but this area, guys, might sound kind of funny to some of you, but basically there's so much freaking bait fish in this area and shad. You can smell them, and I don't know the whole science behind it of why you can smell them, but if you get around a ton of bait fish and some shallow water, you can really smell the bait fish. I mean, just the shad. I guess like the oils off of them, just, I don't know. And so it's really hard to leave. And then, yeah, there's a blow up down there. So I think they're here, guys. I mean, I really think they're here. Got him?
Yeah.
Get down. And, oh, my line's all jacked. He's big?
I don't know if he's big or if he's fat. This is something.
Oh, golly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Come on, baby. Oh, man.
How do we get it in the boat?
I don't see him.
Oh, I do. He's right there.
Oh, golly. Go. Just keep pressure on him. Oh, come here. Oh, he's going to jump. Get him over here. Get him over here. Oh, he's under the boat. Keep pressure on him now. Pressure on him. Oh, gosh, that was the worst landing ever.
Oh my God.
Good job, girl. Good job. Oh, how was that?
Yeah.
My thumb never leaves the spool. Oh, it broke my line. Oh, it broke my freaking line. Oh, you'll probably see him jump. Broke my freaking line, man. Oh, no. It bent my freaking hook out.
Wow.
Son of a gun.
That's a big fish.
Just freaking set the hook into a good fish. Bent my hook straight out. Oh, dang it. I thought he broke me off. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. I thought he broke me off, but in turn he straightened my freaking hook out. So we're around some big ones. Good deal. Gosh, look at him running all the way across the cove. Look at him go, gentlemen. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh.
Hey, ladies could watch this too.
Ladies, gentlemen, squirrels, everybody. Come on, baby. Make you a good cast. Oh, right into the heart of them. Into the heart of the bass.
I didn't make it.
Come on, eat my lure. Dadgummit, eat my lure.
I'm making another cast. I can't.
Eat my lure, people. Eat my stinking lure.
You're distracting.
Why aren't you eating my lure?
You're talking too much.
Dude, did they hear me? They're everywhere. Guys, we got them behind us. I'm not gonna get it. I don't know. I don't know what to do. They're not biting. Come here, punk. Oh. You're gonna eat what I give you. Really? I've never felt so scatterbrained in my life when all that was going on. I was like,
I have never felt so scatterbrained because you were so loud.
I was excited.
I said,
I was so excited.
If they can hear they can hear you screaming.
I'm sure they can. Look at them. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's out here catching big. Yes. I don't know if I should put on a jig and just go for broke or what. Guys, just to give y'all a little update, we have been having a pretty rough year this year, guys. It's like way on into summer now, but little backstory. Oh man, that was a carp. Was that
was
carp?
it? I was getting ready to throw.
I can't tell if that was a carp or not. This big.
I don't know either.
Anyways, back to the story, guys. But basically, well, we bought a house first of the year. Anybody knows if you've ever bought a freaking house before, you know all the freaking stresses that go with it. And then Steph got sick, and she had a tumor. And we really didn't know what was going to happen. We didn't know what was going on. But
no cancer.
But no cancer. It was a benign tumor. We got it out. And now we're just really getting back to the regular routine of life after about 6-7 months. So we're excited to be out here experiencing God's great creations. And hopefully we can get back on track and get back on a schedule, putting out some awesome videos for y'all. So just hang around, stay tuned. And I'm going to change the lure, see if I can catch fish. Let's do this. It's getting dark.
And ladies, if any ladies watch also.
And ladies. I'm sure there's some ladies that watch because she's a beast. Actually, she's got invited to fish like the women's, like, what the crap was it? I don't know. I'll fill you that in. It's like a women's national league that she's gotten invited to, like about 2 or 3 different people. So you know she's a beast. Anyways, it's getting dark. We're gonna keep on fishing, and if we catch one, we'll figure out some way to get it on camera. So we're gonna let the camera roll, and if we catch one, ooh, yeah, that looked good.
Something.
And we're gonna try to stick it on camera. All right, guys. Let's go.
Yeah.